Hello instructors in CAM. Today we're going to be showing you the work that we made for Sprint 4. Just a quick recap of what our application consists of. We're building a platform in which users can sign up and register for volunteering opportunities around them, as well as earn points that can then be redeemed in an in-app marketplace and share their statuses and experiences with their friends through the application. As well as a mobile app, we're also building a web admin UI in which people from the organizations that are part of the platform can go in and create and edit their events, as well as it allows Pletlanta to manage the items that are offered in the marketplace. To be a little bit more specific of what we were building this sprint, we were focusing on creating a profile view for the users in which the user could go to and see their profile information, their past events, their current events, as well as a transaction ledger, which showed all the ways in which they have spent or gained points in the application. We also enabled filtering of events and items in the marketplace so that looking up a specific event or a specific item is less tedious and more efficient. Finally, we also focused on creating backend functionality in order to allow events that have passed to be cleaned up and marked as past events, so that way we can keep track of previous events and upcoming events. Going into the web application, here we can see the familiar event dashboard that showcases the upcoming events for each organization in specific. The one feature we have added this sprint is that now you can search these features based on their location or the event name. So if we want to pull up all the events in Piedmont Park, we can type here Piedmont Park. And as we can see here, only events with location Piedmont Park are shown in the dashboard. If we want to look up events by name, we can go in and look for 5K, and we are only show the 5K for the children. Going into the new, more unfamiliar view, here we can see the marketplace inventory dashboard in which we showcase all of the items in the marketplace and information about the items. Here we also have a search bar at the top, which we can use to search items by name or by brand. If we want to look for Xboxes, we can look for the Xbox One, and if we want to search by brand, we can look up, for example, salmon, in which this item has salmon as its brand. Similar to the events dashboard, we have ways for admins to add items into the marketplace and edit existing items. By clicking the plus button here, we are taken to the create new item, in which an admin can type in the information here of the brand of the item and create a new item, as well as choosing an image that they would like to associate with that item. For the sake of time, we are going to skip this and show the other features. In the marketplace dashboard, once again, we can also see that all of these cards have a little edit button in the top right. If we click the edit button, for the Xbox, for example, we are taken to a page similar to the create item one, where the information is pre-populated and a user can choose to delete the item after they confirm, or they can change the information here and edit the item. This has been all for this sprint in terms of the web application, and now we're going to showcase the improvements that we made to the mobile app and the new features that were added.
Welcome to the mobile app. Today we'll be focusing on the marketplace and the profile view, the two items that we decided to include in Sprint 4. Starting with the marketplace, we see that we are immediately greeted with all the items available to us. In the top right, we see the number of points that the user has that they can use to redeem items in the store. Let's start with the search bar. The search bar allows us to narrow down the items that we're looking for. So if we search for Nintendo, for instance, we see that all other items are immediately discarded. To purchase a Nintendo Switch, we click on the icon for Nintendo. This allows us to buy now with the buy now button. Success, and now we see that the points in the top right have also been deducted. Now we move on to the profile view. In the profile view, we see we're immediately greeted by three tabs. The first tab corresponds to the events that we're signed up for. The second tab for the events that we've already participated in. And finally, the third tab, it shows the number of transactions that we've done in the past. Here we see the recent Nintendo Switch purchase that we just made. Additionally, the profile page allows us to change our profile picture. By clicking the profile picture icon, we are prompted to take a new picture if we want to. Here, we can snap a new profile picture. Once we're happy with our picture and done cropping it, we can hit continue and our picture will be updated in the profile view. Finally, if we go back to the home page, we see that we are also greeted by another search bar. The search bar allows us to search by the name of the event and also by the location. So if we type in Piedmont Park, for instance, we see that the events will also be narrowed down. That concludes our demo of the mobile app. Thank you very much.